guys? Welcome back to another video. It's a new week. So let's see what we have for today. We're still going to trade NASDAQ. Since NASDAQ has been doing way better these days. So we can pick this level here. If you see a break, we can look for a buy trade. And if you see a break below this level, we can look for a sell trade. Yes. And nothing really much happening today. Now we have about 1 minute to market open. So we're gonna use 20 point stop loss today, since 25 points looks too big for us today. So we're gonna use 20 point stop loss today. Okay. Alright, so we have about 20 seconds to market open. Let's see what we have for today. I'm not really looking at US 30 today because NASDAQ has been doing way better than US 30 low-key. Like, explain what this is. Wait, this is not that day. Wait, let's just get into the market. Let's get into the market. Market is open already. Okay, so let's see what we have for today. Are we gonna break to the upside or break to the downside? Okay. Okay. I just wait. I am selling. I'm selling NASDAQ there. I'm selling NASDAQ right there. What was that fake out? What was that fake out? Oh my god. Oh, we can't be serious, bro. What a way to start the week. So do we want to keep pushing NASDAQ? Okay. Okay. Oh my god. NASDAQ. Man, NASDAQ, I don't know, man. Just keep pushing, bro. Just keep pushing. Please, just keep pushing. We've been at drawdown on this account for the past few weeks, bro. For the past 2 weeks. Please, NASDAQ, just keep. I'm literally begging NASDAQ right now, bro. I'm literally begging NASDAQ right now, bro. Now let's make it perfect. So our first target is right here. I just hope NASDAQ doesn't mess me up. If our target 1 gets hit, then stop loss to break even. Can we just keep pushing NASDAQ? Can we just keep pushing, please? Damn. Like, at least reward me. I've been following my rules. Like, damn. Okay, that's a 0.5 risk to reward. Okay, that's TP1. So stop loss to break even. Please just keep pushing NASDAQ. Oh my god, bro. Let's keep pushing NASDAQ. Let's keep pushing. So I don't have a take profit. I'm just letting price run, basically. Please just keep pushing. Like, even if you just give me 0.5, I'll take it. Like, damn. Bro, NASDAQ, you can't be playing with me right now, bro. Okay. If you want to keep pushing, let's keep pushing. We got stopped at a break even. So let's see. Do we want to go for another 1 point? Okay, so stop loss at break even, so target 1. For target 1, stop loss at break even. Okay, let's see if price can get to 1 to 1.5. Then I'll put my stop loss to 0.5. I'm taking a trade again because the last trade was a break even. We didn't have 2 losses today, so we're still good. This is my next target. I'd rather use this instead. I'd rather use this instead. So this is my next target. Okay. So like I said, I don't have a take profit. I'm just waiting to see price push. Just let price run, whatever price is doing. This is my next target, so that I can put my stop loss to 0.5. Yeah, so my next target is a 1 to 1.5. And I hope NASDAQ does that for us. NASDAQ, can we please have a recovery? Can we please have a recovery? Bro, I am dead ass tired, bro. Another break even. Another break even. I don't know. Do we want to keep pushing for real? Because what the hell? US 30 is dumping. US 30 is dumping right now. So let's see NASDAQ dump too. Let me see if I can look at NASDAQ dropping. Let me stop forcing a buy trade. And let's see if NASDAQ can dump on us today too. I had two break evens. Two break evens. Okay. Hopefully this goes well. Okay. Let me use this level instead. Let me use this level instead. Okay, we have an SMT here. We have a bullish SMT there. US 30 is waking his way back up. Let's see what NASDAQ is gonna do. Do we want to drop or not NASDAQ? You know what? I'll just wait for price to break below this level then. Whatever price is doing now, I don't know. I really don't know. Okay, SPX is going. S&P is going. US 30 starts to push. So hopefully NASDAQ does the same. Hopefully. Man, today is lucky, like slow as hell. US 30 is gone. S&P is going up. US 30 is going up too. All it remains is just for NASDAQ to do the same. That's all NASDAQ needs to do right now. NASDAQ just needs to follow along. US 30 is really going. US 30 is really going. So let's see if NASDAQ does the same. We can have a huge push to the upside. Volume. Okay, not that much volume though. NASDAQ. Okay. Okay. Just that we've had a lot of rejections here, so US 30 is still pushing. S&P is still pushing. All I need is NASDAQ to just follow through. Are we ready? Okay. Seems NASDAQ wants to go now. That's all I've been waiting for since. Okay. If we go above this high, I'm sure we should be good. Okay. Okay. So that's stop loss to break even. As always, that's TP1. That's target 1. So stop loss to break even. Look, at this point, if we get another break-even trade, I'm done. This is my 4th trade. Only 1 loss today, and then we've had 2 break-evens. If I get break-even again, I'm done. If we've already broken above this high, we should keep pushing to the upside. NASDAQ. Damn, this Monday is so slow. Oh no, maybe it's the war that's causing this slowness in the market, because the market, it wasn't this low. Okay, so that's a 1 to 1.5. Stop loss is going to a 1 to 0.5 right there. Let's see if we can squeeze in $5 right there. Okay, so my next area of my next target is here, 1 to 2. My next target is a 1 to 2, so that I can put my stop loss at a 1 to 1 to 1 to 1 to 1. Okay, let's keep pushing NASDAQ. Let's keep pushing. Let's keep pushing. I'm so close to 1 to 2. Let's keep pushing. Okay. I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. Dang, what is this retracement? I'm done. 0.5 today. 0.5. We had a 0.5 trade today. I'm done. There's no way I'm doing this. There's no way I'm doing this. No way. No way. No way, no way, no way. There's literally no way I'm doing this. Took 4 trades today. And obviously not because I'm breaking my rules, but just because I've been having break-evens or break-evens. Like I said, if I have 2 losses, I'm done for the day. So I've had 1 loss and a little win, so I'm done for the day. I'm done for the day. Why am I not seeing? Okay, so let me show you guys how I journal my trades. No, it's been a long video. This has been a long video. NASDAQ is just being playful right now. Yeah, so let me share my whole screen so you guys can see. Hold on. Okay, you guys are seeing. Okay, good. So since you guys are seeing it, good. So what I do is just look for today's. This is my Xness, right, on my MT5. So custom period, I'm gonna put today. I'm just showing you guys how I journal my trade today. So as you can see today, this is the history for today. Why am I not seeing everything? Well, whatever the situation is. Anyways, so all I do is report, then HTML, this, then I save it. Yeah. So after I save it, it's gonna open, and as you can see, I took 4 trades today. Okay, SL, 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 SL. Obviously, I don't have a take profit, so since I have it downloaded, all I'm gonna do is, man, you guys have already left, bro. But anyways, so all I'm gonna do is just imagine. Well, anyways, all I'm gonna do is enter Shaw Insight. Go to Shaw Insight, and then journal what I did today. We still had zero profits today. I think like -2 or -1, I guess. So I'm gonna manually, I'm gonna upload the file. Okay. So this is it right here. I'm gonna upload the file. Okay, so we made literally like $0.0 today. We made $0 today, bro. But so I'll just import all the 4 trades I took. And if I go to my dashboard, so you can see here, just -0.7. So yeah, we're still down for the month. NASDAQ is just tripping. Yeah, NASDAQ is just tripping right now. I don't know if we're about to make a recovery, but I'm not taking any more trades. I'm not about to, play with this market. I wish I had used this level, for real. I really wish I had used this level instead of this. Yeah, just wish I had used this one more, rather than using this level, so that I wouldn't have gotten faked out. Man, it's okay, man. At the end of the day, it's still good. We didn't lose that much today. We just had, let's just say we had a break-even day. And funny enough, we're able to still cover up for most of the losses today. Most of the losses. We had the first initial $7 loss, but we were able to still cover up for it, which was here. As you can see, all the break-evens were still able to cover up for all the losses. Yeah, but look, this is the reality of trading, man. Trading is not easy. Like, especially, I don't know why now the market is just being crazy right now, and I blame it on the war. Gold, let's see, gold is probably doing very good right now, because I heard some people are in buys, gold buys right now. I heard some people were in gold buys. Yeah, but I don't know, gold dropped to, damn. Okay, I haven't been really looking at gold. But damn, gold is doing some nasty shit. Yeah, we had this huge ass bull run, then came back down. Then February, I don't know when the war started. I think it was around February or March. But now the market, I don't know. Market is just dumping. But anyways, it is what it is. It's just trading. Soon, I know it's gonna be all good. Soon. But for now, we just have to, try and cope with whatever is happening right now. Look at US 30, man. US 30 is really doing good. US 30 is doing good. Maybe, I don't know. I don't want to say I want to switch to US 30, of course. But all of us had to fake out. In the initial push. Around 9:30, which was the market open. So yeah, around 9:30 we also had to fake out to the upside. But NASDAQ did us a fake out to the downside, which was the initial move. And then, USD went back up and then just didn't stop going. Let's see. Yeah, USD didn't come back down. USD did not come back down. So even if your level was here on US30, after this initial loss, you will still have not gotten any other loss. Then you would just look for this here, go for a 40 point or a 30 point take profit or stop loss. Normally I like using 40 points on US30 because US30 is more volatile. And then Let's see. Okay. So TP1, TP2. Oh my god. Oh my god. This would have been a 1 to 2 risk to reward, or 1 to 2.5 risk to reward. Because notice here, it's TP1 got hit, stop loss to break even. So let's say this is it. TP1 gets hit, stop loss to break even. TP2 gets hit, or TP1.5 gets hit, stop loss to 0.5. TP2 gets hit, stop loss to 1. TP1 to 1.5, 2.5, 1 to 5. 1 to 3 risk rewards get hit, 1 to 2. Then we're so close to 1 to 2.5. So let's just say we would have closed on US30 with a 1 to 2. Yeah. So the way I'm trading now, I'm not having any take profit. I'm just gonna be trailing and trailing and trailing. Let's see how much we can, maximize and capitalize from the market. So as far as price keeps going, I just keep trailing my stop loss, and I'm doing it like I'm doing one risk space. So if TP1 gets hit, obviously one risk space is me putting a break even. If TP2 gets hit, I'm giving another one risk reward space by keeping it at a 1 to 1. If TP5 gets hit, I'm putting it at a 1 to 4. TP6 get hit, I'm putting it at a 1 to 7. 1 to 5, sorry. So I'm always leaving like a one risk reward like space between each of my take profit and stop loss. Yeah, so whether price retraces and stops me out, then I call it a day. But if we still get hit like break even, I just get tired and I just call it a day. Like what happened today. But at least we're able to get it 1 to 0.5, which is okay. But the good part is that we're able to cover for today's loss, and that's just what matters to me. And we also traded today. So I don't know. I feel like NASDAQ is going to keep pushing to the upside. We're also having a lot of retracements. Back in the day when like last month, price was just going like straight to the downside or straight to the upside. But now I don't know what the health market is doing. To be honest, I really don't know what the health market is doing. I'm trying to see like what happened. What used to happen then? Look at February, man. Like look at February. 9:30 opens. I don't know why I entered here. This was a late entry. But look at this right there. Market opens 9:30. Enter right. Big ass trade. Look at how price moves to the downside. Price just kept pushing all the way to the downside. Like look at this also. February 25. Market opens at 9:30. Look how price just keeps pushing to the upside. Like I'm telling you, bro. Market opens. Look at this 9:30. Market just dumps all the way to the downside. Even if we had a huge push again to the upside. But then I'm just showing you guys market like used to do well until the war started. Look at this right here. Market opens at 9:30. Look at this breakout here. Market opens by 9:30. I'm taking my long position here. 25 point stop. 25 point stop. Maybe 25 looks too small here. Let's go with 30 point stop. Look at this huge push to the upside. Like damn, bro. So I don't know what's happening right now, and I blame it on the war. I'll keep blaming it on the war that's happening right now. Like I will still blame it on the war, because New York session, like we're just not doing anything, bro. Like what is this? We're already like 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30 minutes already, almost 30 minutes in after market open, and we're still doing this bullshit. So I blame this war that's happening right now. But it is what it is, man. There's always gonna be a light at the end of the tunnel, and I really got nothing else to say. So yeah, now we're basically break even day, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.